Hi everyone. Which force is greater between ion-induced dipole force and keesome, which is dipole-induced dipole force? So let us first discuss about the ion-induced dipole force. There is an ion, it can be anion, which is negatively charged ion, or it can be a positive charged cation. Ion-induced dipole force, if this ion is inducing a force on the non-polar molecule. This polar molecule has become polar, which was initially non-polar. Okay, suppose example I am giving oxygen. Oxygen molecule is a non-polar molecule because both the oxygen atom have the same electronegativity. So when the anion will come in front of this chlorine, like suppose chlorine anion come closer to this oxygen molecule. So what will happen? There will be a slight distortion of the electron cloud. This negatively charged ion will repel the electron cloud of this oxygen molecule and it will distort it, creating a partial negative charge here and partial positive charge here, thereby polarizing this molecule. So after this induction, the molecule has been polarized. Okay, and due to which there is a weak attractive force among these two, among the chloride and the non-polar oxygen molecule, weak attractive force, because it is due to the influence of this anion only that this molecule is getting polarized and getting attracted to this. As we will remove this anion, the force will also vanish. That's why it is a weak force. Similarly, if we have a cation, suppose Fe plus 2 cation, and if we bring near the oxygen, which is a non-polar molecule, again there will be distortion of electron cloud. The negatively charged electron cloud will be attracted towards the positively charged ferrous ion. This will become negative. Now again the bond will become polarized. Okay, so again there will be a weak attractive force between the ferrous ion and the non-polar oxygen molecule. Because due to the influence of this ion, the bond is getting polarized and a weak attractive force is there. So this is ion induced. This ion is inducing a dipole in this non-polar molecule. This ion is inducing a dipole in this non-polar molecule. That's why this force is known as ion-induced dipole force. Because ion is inducing a dipole in the neighboring molecule. Next, we come to the next force is dipole-induced dipole force. Okay, in this what happens when the molecules having permanent dipole moment, like this HCl. This is a polar molecule because of the large electronegative difference between chlorine atom and the hydrogen atom. The bond will get polarized. Here it will be a partial negative charge. Here it will be a partial positive charge. So due to partial negative charge, the bond is getting polarized, and this is a molecule which is having a permanent dipole moment, and the direction of dipole moment will be from positive center to the negative center. This is the direction of dipole moment. So when the molecules having permanent dipole moment are brought close to each other, there is a strong electrostatic force of attraction among the molecules. Strong electrostatic force of attraction among the molecules, which is known as keesome forces. Okay, that's why these type of force will have a higher attractive. Okay, there will be a strong, this force will be a strong one because it's already polarized. That's why this force is also known as dipole-induced dipole force. Okay, so in this, the answer of this question will be the dipole-induced dipole force, which is the keesome force, is greater as compared to the ion-induced dipole force. So I hope this video has cleared the concept about these two type of forces and why do we say that this ion-induced dipole force is a weaker force as compared to the keesome forces. So if you like the content of the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.